Okay, you can see here that I have my Premiere Pro opened and I want to add this like, subscribe and turn on notification screen. So I downloaded this on YouTube and I want to apply it to this video. But then this green screen has to go. This mustn't be for this particular case. It could be for any other case of green screen removal. Now I've imported this clip into my video, and to remove this green screen is to apply Ultra key. The Ultra key is the one I use. So how you do that is you come over here to this panel you have down here and you click on Effects. If you don't see that, you can just come to Windows, select Effects here to activate it, or Shift 7 on Windows. Come to the search panel and I search for key or Ultra key, whichever, and this is it here. Already I have it applied, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to clear it from my effects control panel here. Then I have my Ultra key here. So I'm going to drag it on to this green screen clip. Now, how do I apply the green screen is to click on this eyedropper icon and I click it on the color that I want to remove, which in this case is the green screen, right? This could be any other color. Now I click it and you can see that it's not applied. I can actually do this and try finding the color manually, right? And you can see it will work, but in most cases what you want to do is to be able to just use the eyedropper icon to select the color you want to remove so that you can get it more effectively. So since it's not working, you can see the reason why this is not happening is because I'm actually using a second monitor. So it's kind of a bug. I don't know why. If you're using Premiere Pro, if you are connected to an external monitor, you have some of these bugs where you're trying to do something and it's not working until you drag the screen, the Premiere Pro screen, back to the main laptop screen or the main desktop screen that you're using, the main computer screen that you're using. So I have now switched from my external monitor to my laptop's main screen, and now when I come over back to my Ultra key panel here and I select this eyedropper or color selection button here and I come over and click on the green, it instantly removes the green. All right, it selected the green. So this is kind of a bug, so I hope they work on this, but this is how you solve this problem. I hope this helps someone, and if it does, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, inquiries, or you just want to say thank you for this video. Thanks for the support, and share the video. See you in the next one, and follow me on social media at Anatotech. I'll be grateful. Bye for now. Cheers.